know which falls first, the crumble paper or the not crumble paper. This experiment is all about the question. Okay, we need 2 sheets of paper. That's it. Let's get this. And we need to crumble one of the paper tightly. Okay, now get another paper and do nothing. I'm going to throw the objects at the same time. Let's do it. What? The piece of paper went slowly and the crumble paper went fast. I'll explain the reading about inside of this. The air is pushing the paper up, but the paper is blocking the air and going down. And the crumble paper has little spots, holes, and the air can go there. The crumble paper can defeat the air and go fast like this. The gravitational force in these objects are the same thing. Hope you like my experiment.